Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing something very unusual, and I'm going to bring in my mother and she's going to do my makeup today. So if you guys want to see how the outcome is going to be about and how it's going to come out and how is it going to look, then please keep
So I have my mom here and she's going to do my makeup and I'll explain all the products.
I don't know if you can see it. She's going to be using this. Yeah. I'm gonna use this foundation. I'm gonna use the matte one, matte poreless foundation, and she's gonna be using this one, the Urban Decay one, right here. Brush right here. I really like this foundation. And the Ultra Press setting powder and banana. Contour Kit Tan Too Deep. This one right here. And it's the one that looks like kind of used, but that one. And this one. And a blush brush. Anti-crease eyeshadow primer, and it's this. Now she's gonna be using the Morphe brushes. It's right here, and they look like this. Morphe brushes. They can't really see it, but it's the Morphe brushes, and they're white. I don't know. She's gonna be using this Modern Renaissance palette, and it looks like this on the inside. She's gonna be using the Vanadium Red and the Love Letter, and it's gonna be these two reds right here. And the Red Ochre, I think. This one. This one. She's going to be using the Lifestyle Festival Too Faced palette, the one that looks like this. And she's going to be using the combination of Rainbow Life and Erotic. Remember, I don't know how to say that. So it's going to be these two. These two right here. And she's going to use this Urban Decay foundation again, so she's gonna put it on my lid, on the lid. She applied her Urban Decay foundation, just to lighten the corner. Now she's gonna be using the NYX glitter primer, because she's gonna be putting, let me see this. She's going to be putting the NYX Glitter Brilliant on my lid where she applied the foundation. That's why you're supposed to put that's what you're supposed to put inside powder. Translucent powder on bottom, so when you push it off. How it looks so far. You're on live, so what you say? How it looks so far. That's how it looks so far after she applied the glitter. Now the colors that she used for this palette, the red, she's gonna go over it after, since she just applied the glitter. She's gonna be using the Naked 3 Urban Decay palette. It's the one with these colors on it. Then brush from Morphe, this one. And you're gonna do the underneath of it. On my waterline, she's gonna do the darker color. Oh, let me show them that. Okay, so the same eyeshadow she's using, Black Heart, she's gonna apply it as like an eyeliner on my eyelid. Now she's gonna be using the Pretty Vulgar highlighter on me, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna she's using the Ulta Beauty Strobing palette. She's using this skinny brush to do the bridge of my nose. Now she's gonna be using the Too Faced, can't see it, Faced Better Than Sex mascara right here. She's gonna be using the Ulta Beauty eyeliner pencil in the color Blackout. Okay. She's gonna be applying it on my waterline. She's gonna be using the, what did I say, Too Faced Melted Latex Lipstick. She's gonna apply it on. She's gonna be using the Hard Candy Lip Pumper Primer. She's gonna apply that before.